Okay, we're putting the running rigging on the mast right now, and here's something that's pretty interesting, I think, that Wharram, I don't know how many other people have used, but it's definitely in the Wharram plans. This uses a gaff. It's a Dutch gaff. It's a short gaff yard, and they're using one line to haul up the peak and the main, or peak and the throat. And so you've got one line with, you'll tie this one to the peak, and you'll tie this one to the yard. Now, they're not attached to anything right now. You can see there's the end of one, there's the end of the other. Okay, but then you run the line down here. That's it. Catch the tripod. Go all the way down, and you come to a clam cleat, and then you can adjust it by pulling. Of course, they're taped right now. You're not going to pull them anywhere. But and there's an endless loop down here on it, and there will be a single line attached to the end of the loop here to go up. It's a 17-foot tail on it, so you only have one line then that you have to really fool with. I thought it was kind of neat. Never mind. Turn cameras off. Walk forward. This is not gonna work. Okay, take it down. Not take it down, but let's do that. Oh, that's what I forgot. The freaking line. Center again. See this? You need to be in line with that. That's good. That's good. All right. Well, you probably saw, well, I know you saw, if you were watching, that this mast raising event didn't go well. Its mast itself weighs about 67 pounds. Built it out of fir, and that's too heavy for two old people.
Speak for yourself. I'm not old.
Oh, she's not right. One old person here. Okay, anyhow, we're going to look into doing, we've got a 27-foot aluminum mast here that we're going to cut down and see if it'll work. See if it's any lighter anyhow. Either that or we're going to come up with carbon fiber or something. I don't know. Okay. When we put the mast up, we were struggling with it. We have stood the mast up before, so we know we're able to do that. But there could be circumstances where it would be a problem. And we decided if we can go with lighter weight, we should. So, even though it's going to take a little more time and everything, it'll probably be safer in the long run. And that's what we're worried about, safety. Anyhow, we have this mast here, aluminum, that
Which
we
was
will
donated.
cut down. Excuse me?
It was donated
Donated, yeah, by Lawrence Page.
by Lawrence Page.
Yeah. Anyhow, we're going to shorten this mast and to the same length that this one is. We will have to redo the shrouds and the forestay because this is just big enough around, bigger than this one. It's like 2 inches. This is like 14 inches in circumference. And this one's like 16 something circumference. So the loops that we went over the top of the mast with will not fit around this one. So that just gives us a little more work here. But that's where we're at. So it's progress. Do one thing, decide you don't like it, redo it. Thank you.